How to improve your mind power? Your mind is a powerful tool, but it can only function at its best if you take care of it. Here are some tips on how to improve your mind power. Number 1. Eat a healthy diet. The foods you eat have a direct impact on your brain health. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. These foods are packed with nutrients that are essential for brain function. Number 2. Get enough sleep. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories and processes information. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it's also good for your brain health. Exercise helps to improve blood flow to the brain, which can help to improve cognitive function. Number 4. Challenge your mind. Learning new things and solving puzzles can help to keep your mind sharp. Try to do something that challenges you mentally on a regular basis. Number 5. Meditate. Meditation has been shown to improve focus, concentration, and memory. There are many different types of meditation, so find one that works for you and stick with it. Number 6. Manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on brain function. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Number 7. Be positive. Positive thoughts and beliefs can help to improve brain function. Surround yourself with positive people and things, and focus on the good things in your life. Following these tips can help you to improve your mind power and boost your cognitive function. In addition to the tips above, here are some other things you can do to improve your mind power. 1. Learn a new language. Learning a new language can help to improve your memory, problem-solving skills, and creativity. 2. Play brain games. There are many different brain games available online and in app stores. These games can help to improve your concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. 3. Read. Reading is a great way to stimulate your mind and learn new things. Make sure to read a variety of books, including fiction, non-fiction, and magazines. 4. Socialize. Spending time with friends and family can help to keep your mind active. Talking to others can help to improve your memory and problem-solving skills. 5. Get out of your comfort zone. Trying new things can help to challenge your mind and keep it sharp. Sign up for a class, travel to a new place, or try a new hobby. Improving your mind power takes time and effort, but it is definitely possible. By following these tips, you can boost your cognitive function and achieve your goals. I hope this helps.